What is MapleMBSE? Let's talk about that next. All right, so what is MapleMBSE? There actually might be a little bit of confusion about this. So first off, let's talk about what it isn't. It is not a standalone MBSE modeling tool, so model-based system engineering tool. This is not something that you would use to build up an MBSE model. You actually use it to connect to an existing model. From Magic Draw or Rhapsody, even to connect to the cloud server capabilities that are associated with each. The actual purpose of it is to democratize the access and even extension of MBSE by non-experts. So system engineers will usually build up the MBSE model, but you have all these other people maybe that need to do analysis, maybe discipline-specific engineers that need to add in or maybe verify back that yes, what's being asked in the MBSE model in terms of requirements can actually be accomplished. So basically the way this works is MapleMBSE connects into an existing model, MBSE model, and the interface is actually Excel. So through that Excel interface, you can develop custom views on that model that are specific to a user so they don't get overexposed to all the complexity of your MBSE model. It allows them to contribute to the model by creating new requirements, functions, other subsystems and things like that. It allows you for them to participate in the process. And in that way, it actually democratizes the use and expansion of MBSE within an organization. It's interesting because oftentimes the big challenge with MBSE isn't getting experts to do their job and develop the initial architecture, kind of the flow down from RFLP, requirements, functions, logical architectures, and physical architectures. It's getting everybody else on board. Getting all those other engineers, all those other analysts to actually engage and connect and use that model for core development and actually take part ownership of it, which is what you need for success. So this is a very interesting tool to extend kind of the democratization effort out in a tool that's very familiar, Excel, that will connect to the models that experts build. So that's it. Take care. Talk soon.